Don't call me Upti.
What do you mean, Upti? Don't call me Upti.
That means undercover. Don't call me Upti. Tell the other kids Upti. Do not call me Upti. That means you're doing something else.
What do you mean, don't call me Upti? Everybody call the kids Upti.
Tell other kids.
Yeah, I'm your Upti.
Tell other kids, not me.
That
means you're in undercover. You might be doing something else. Go tell other kids Upti, not me.
والله وارنت هذا المعاني أنا عبّتك أبتي ويا أنا عب كي هو يوينك قاعد يصير ورا علوك بلا صارك.
Go tell other kids you might be undercover. So go tell other kids. Do not tell